In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube videos. I will also show you how to do this on your phone because you're going to want to know how to do both. You want to get to the back end of YouTube and YouTube Studio, so either go to Customize Channel or click your avatar here on the top right-hand side. Make sure that you are in the correct channel in which you want to change the thumbnail. I am, so I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube Studio. Here we are. I'm going to go to Customize Channel. On the left-hand side here, I'm going to go to Content, and you're going to select whatever video that you want to change your thumbnail for. Now, if you want to know how to upload a video properly to YouTube on your computer or your mobile phone, I will link that video in the description box below. But let's just go ahead and go into this video right here, Morning Guided Meditation. This is scheduled to be released in a couple of weeks right here. Now we're going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you get to an option right here about the middle of the page called Thumbnail. Now YouTube will automatically select a thumbnail for you based on your video content, but they're generally not very good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the first option right here, and you can see 3 dots, 3 ellipses, and then a text button says Options pops up. Click this, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Change. Now your computer is going to pop up in different places that you could have thumbnails, so I could go ahead and switch it out and click this one right here. Make sure I click Open, and there's that thumbnail. When you've selected the proper thumbnail that you want to use, make sure that you click the top right-hand side here that says Save. I do not want this thumbnail right here. It's for a different one, so I'm going to go ahead and change that back out by clicking the orange one, Open. And now we have the proper thumbnail, and I will go ahead and click Save. Now you may find that you are following these steps, but you still cannot add a custom thumbnail. I'm going to link a video in the description box below that shows you how to verify your YouTube channel. Super easy. Here we are on mobile device, and yes, it is 5:27 a.m. This is how I'm able to successfully manage multiple YouTube channels. First thing that you want to do, you certainly could do this in the YouTube application and go to the desktop version. However, it is so tiny, you're not going to want to do that. So make sure that you've downloaded this application right here, YouTube Studio. It looks just like that. Now you want to make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel, and if you just have one, this is not a problem. Let's go ahead this time, go to Elite Fit with Andrea right here and change the thumbnail on one of these YouTube videos. Down here in the bottom, you're going to want to go to Content, and then let's just say I wanted to change the thumbnail for this one right here. This is set to be scheduled. Click on that video. You're going to see a little pencil icon here in the top, and right here you see this little picture thingy. You want to click that. And then here you can change your thumbnail. Now again, YouTube has selected ones for you that are not very good, but click this change button right here. And then the folders on your phone are going to pop up. I highly suggest that you have folders on your phone. It's just going to make finding things a lot easier. So here are all my fitness thumbnails, and I could go ahead and select any one of these. So let's say I wanted to do this one, and it's going to pop up right there. If I hit select, and then here's the key. Make sure that you hit save, and your thumbnail will be saved on your phone. Now, I do about 90% of my thumbnails entirely on my phone, creating them, changing them, and uploading them just like I show you here. But on my Meditate Daily with Andrea, I'm going to discard changes. I do it entirely on my computer. I won't get into the reasoning why, maybe in a later video. If you want to know 6 proven ways to make money with your YouTube efforts, click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.